Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Monica's Learning Hub. So first of all, those are new on my channel, please subscribe this and press the bell icon button so that you can get the future notifications for the upcoming sessions. And along with these tenses videos, I am uploading some shorts relevant to the vocabulary that will help to help to build up your frequency in English. So please go and watch that vocabulary series also. So today's topic is we have brought some more sentences to practice present simple tense to bring the more clarity in your concepts. So this is our exercise today. Uh, the question is you ask Lisa questions about herself and her family. Write the questions. Okay, so आपको कुछ statements दिए होंगे and you have to ask questions about Lisa. Okay, about herself and her family. So I have put the table here also that we have learned in our first chapter. So IVU they will use first form of verb. Okay, and he she it we will use first form of verb and s or es. Okay, so keep it in your mind, with the IVU they we will use only first form of verb in the simple present sentences, and with he she it we will use s and es. One second, I just remove it. Okay, so S and ES. Okay, and what does it, what is this? Does. So when we use the sentence with does, then we'll keep it in mind. Then we'll use he, she, it, and first form of verb. Okay, we'll not put S or ES even with the he, she, it, because we have already used does during the interrogative sentences. Okay, and when we will use the simple sentences he she that starts from he she it, then we will use does not in the negative sentences and will use first form of the verb. Okay, let's make some sentences, you will get more clarity. You know that Lisa plays tennis, you want to know how often, ask her. So the sentence, the statement's meaning is आप जानते हैं कि लिसा टेनिस खेलती है. You want to know how often. Now you want to know how frequently she is playing this tennis, means how much gap she takes. Okay, how want to you want to know how often, अक्सर वह कब कब खेलती है. Okay, so this there is one sentence for your information, and we have solved it already. How often do you play tennis? How often do you play tennis? So आप इसको क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो आप इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? हाउ ऑफन डू यू प्ले टेनिस? तुम टेनिस अक्सर कब कब खेलती हो? ओके, सो देयर विल बी मोर स्टेटमेंट्स लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इसके जैसे ही और स्टेटमेंट्स आपको मिलेंगे, एंड व्हाट टू डू, you have to make, you have to convert that statements into the questions. Okay, आपको उन statements के according उनके questions prepare करने हैं. Got it? And I would suggest please keep your pen and copy with you, and you can pause the video and just make your own sentences, then come back to the video and resume it. Okay, perhaps Lisa's sister plays tennis too. You want to know, ask Lisa. Perhaps means शायद, शायद लिसा की सिस्टर भी टेनिस खेलती है. यू वांट टू नो, लिसा की सिस्टर भी टेनिस खेलती है. अब आपको इसके बारे में जानना है, आपको लिसा से पूछना है. सो हाउ विल यू मेक द क्वेश्चन? Okay, so let's take some example, take some hints. Okay, so there is a gap. How perhaps Lisa's sister plays tennis too. You want to know. कैसे बनाएंगे हम इसको? How often, how often, now, how often we are talking about sister. Sister is female. So what form of the helping verb we will use? Does. How often, यहाँ हमने do use किया था ना, how often do you के साथ हमने do use किया था. How often does your sister play tennis? Okay, how often does your sister play tennis? So play आएगा, not plays. Okay, because we have already put does here. Next sentence is, you know that Lisa reads a newspaper every day. You want to know which one. आप जानते हो कि लिसा रोज न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती है. अब आप ये जानना चाहते हो कि वह कौन सा पढ़ती है. विच वन शी रीड्स. आस्क हर. आपको उससे क्वेश्चन पूछना है. ओके, सो कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर तुम एवरीडे पढ़ती हो? कौन सा? विच न्यूज़ पेपर do you read every day? Which newspaper do you read every day? Okay, so you के साथ आपने क्या लगाया? Do. Which newspaper do you read every day? Getting my point? Where you need to put do or where you have to put does. Okay, IVU दे के साथ हम लोग IVU दे के साथ हम लोग क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? Do. Look at this table. And he she it के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Does. Next sentence is, you know that Lisa's brother works. You want to know what he does. You know that Lisa's brother works. आपको पता है कि लिसा का ब्रदर काम करता है. अब आपको ये जानना है कि वह क्या काम करता है. Ask Lisa. Just make a question. Ask Lisa about his brother. What does your brother do? ओके, what does your brother do? अब यहाँ पे हमने does भी यूज किया है. We have used does and do both here, but does is our helping verb and do is our main verb. Okay, do हमारा main verb है, करता है. What does your brother do? तुम्हारा brother क्या करता है? Okay, so this is our main verb. You know that Lisa goes to the cinema a lot. You know, you want to know how often. आपको पता है कि लिसा बहुत ज्यादा सिनेमा जाती है. अब आप ये जानना चाहते हो कि वह अक्सर कब कब जाती है. ओके, हाउ ऑफन. हाउ ऑफन मीन्स अक्सर. तुम कब? अक्सर. हाउ ऑफन. ठीक है. हाउ ऑफन क्या आएगा? हम उससे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं ना, कि तुम अक्सर कब कब सिनेमा जाती हो. हाउ ऑफन डू यू गो टू द सिनेमा? Got it? How often do you go to the cinema? So do is a helping verb that we put with you, and go is our main verb. Okay. Next sentence is, you don't know where Lissa's grandparents live. You don't know where Lissa's grandparents live. You want to know, ask her. आपको नहीं पता कि लिसा के grandparents कहाँ रहते हैं. आप उससे पूछना चाहते हो. So, where, कहाँ, तुम्हारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कहाँ रहते हैं, इसको हम इंग्लिश में कैसे बनाएंगे? वेयर डू योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स लिव? ओके, लिव आएगा, नॉट लिव्स. वेयर डू योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स लिव, बिकॉज दिस इज प्लूरल. यहाँ हम ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो हम यहाँ पे एक चीज और भी यूज कर सकते हैं. डज हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? ही, शी, इट, एंड वी कैन ऐड हियर सिंगुलर नाउन. ओके. एंड डू हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? आई, वी, यू, दे, एंड विथ प्लूरल नाउन ऑल्सो. प्लूरल नाउन ऑल्सो. सो हमने यहाँ पे डू यूज किया एंड प्लूरल नाउन, क्योंकि ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हमारा प्लूरल है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टू पर्सन, सो वी हैव यूज्ड live here. Okay, I hope you would like this exercise, and if you really liked it and you are learning something, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.